Oh, hey, didn't see you there. I'm Heath with Cillessen Construction. Come on in. I want to show you a few things. We build, we renovate, and we restore homes. Whether you're looking to build a brand new home or your house just got smacked by a storm in Colorado, we want to take care of you. What sets us apart here? Definitely our people. We have in-house project managers, carpenters, laborers that all help to take care of your home, like my man Dylan right here. This is our millwork shop, where we build custom kitchens and even replicate historic trim. It's almost like Willy Wonka's, if he did kitchens. That's the type of precision you can expect. We do roofs too. Storm restoration is a big part of what we do. Whether your home in Colorado got hit by hail or wind, we'll be sure to fix it right. This place was just gutted, but when we're done, it's gonna be a masterpiece. We love turning chaos into craftsmanship. So whether you're looking to build, renovate, or restore your home, our team's got your back. Let's get to work.
Cillessen Construction Company. Quality construction for the greater Denver area.